Hi, I'm Megan Niemeyer with Novus International, and we're talking with Dr. Bob Buresh with the Novus Poultry Tech Team for our industry update today. Bob, thank you for joining us.
Well, Megan, thanks for having me.
So Bob, today we're talking about the Reduce and Replace program. What does Reduce and Replace mean?
Well, Megan, it's really about value and sustainability. Reduce and Replace is all about that. It's a program that Novus developed to describe the concept that current trace mineral levels in rations can be reduced and then replaced with our MINTREX chelated trace minerals at significantly lower levels. This results in much more value for your investment. More specifically, zinc, copper, and manganese can be dramatically reduced while experiencing continued or improved performance, depending on what's important to the customer. One example might be replacing a current program of 100 parts per million of inorganic zinc with 40 parts per million of MINTREX zinc, and this can only be accomplished with MINTREX.
And how does MINTREX come into play with Reduce and Replace? What is unique about the MINTREX molecule?
Well, MINTREX is critical to success in the implementation of the Reduce and Replace program with a customer. MINTREX is a unique compound with two HMTBA molecules that are bound to single molecules of either zinc, copper, or manganese with very specific coordinate covalent bonds. These bonds are key qualities of MINTREX, resulting in greater trace mineral bioavailability to the animal and reduced antagonism compared to inorganic and other organic trace minerals.
What would you say are the key components in Reduce and Replace?
Well, the first component is to understand the current levels and sources of trace minerals used in the rations of our customers. We have standard MINTREX recommendations for the various species and segments, but these can be fine-tuned for our customers' current trace mineral programs and production goals. Taking these points into consideration, we can then tailor the optimal Reduce and Replace program for each specific customer's needs.
Great. And how is this program helpful to people in the industry?
Well, there's several benefits to our industry partners. First, the use of MINTREX in this Reduce and Replace concept has been demonstrated in controlled research and field evaluations to improve or maintain performance while providing enhanced economic value to the producer. Also, because of the unique structure of MINTREX, there's a reduced level of antagonisms with other nutrients compared to the other trace mineral sources. And lastly, but also important to some producers, is that when using MINTREX at these reduced levels, there are considerably less minerals excreted into the environment, again, compared to the other trace mineral sources. And this supports sustainability.
How can someone learn more about the program?
Well, the best way to find out more about how the MINTREX Reduce and Replace program might be a benefit to you, I suggest you reach out to your Novus rep. They'll definitely be able to assist you.
Great. Thank you so much for joining us today, Bob.
Well, thanks for having me. I've enjoyed it.